Yes, my subscribers and viewers, bless up on yourself. Give God thanks and praise. We have a thanks strength. And welcome back to another video. I don't know, the year I gonna do some home style pot roast chicken. Yeah man, just come in from work and thing. So I'm just gonna match up a little thing. Yeah man, home style pot roast chicken. So over here, me don't have me meat seasoned up and prepare already. And me have my seasoning cut up also. And me have my barbecue sauce prepared too. With my barbecue sauce, me have ketchup in it, maple syrup, little lemon juice, little cranberry juice, little tip of coconut milk and thing. Yeah man, that's how me do it. Yeah man, so me just watch what I go on. Yeah man, that's how the thing set up man. And right over here, me don't have my pot already hot and me had in my oil and thing. Yeah man, so as me say no man, I just watch what me do for me little home style pot roast chicken and thing. Yeah man, I saw you thing set up my people man, so I go and bless up on yourself man and thanks for the subscribe. See him where? Yeah man, I saw you thing go man, one cocoa full basket. Yeah man, no rush man, so I just want to sit back and relax and I just watch how me do me pot roast chicken and thing. Yeah man, serve it with rice and peas and some carrot and beetroot juice and things. So I don't know man, I just watch what I go on. Alright my people, yeah man. And as you can see, I cover it with file paper because I don't want none of this steam to escape. I want everything to stay right in a hit. The sweating from the file paper, I go right back through the chicken. Yeah man, I make it properly down to the bone. Yeah man, that's how I do my pot roast chicken. Yes man, when you cover it like that man, I tell you, when you all take off the cover and you smell the aroma, oh gosh man. Yeah man, that's how things set up man. So things set up my people. Yeah man. Yeah man, rice and peas fully active now. So you don't know a thing go man. Mats up every little thing at a time. Yeah man. So as I can see, final phase of the pot roast chicken. So I'm gonna take off the cover and show you how it look. Alright, yeah man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, pot roast chicken finish and you don't know anything go. Looking delicious. Yeah man, and me serving it with some rice and peas and vegetable. Yeah man. I don't know, with some carrot and beetroot with dragon and ensure in it. Yeah man, so it thing set up man. Jamaican pot roast chicken. Alright my people. Bless upon yourself. You don't know a thing go.